Hi, have you ever faced a challenge where you are worried or you find that your designs are being copied and copy pasted, and before you sell in your market, it is being already sold in the market? This is Ramnik Chawla from Fashionite, where fashion is our profession, and we are the experts in our field, and we have served more than 200 happy customers across the globe. There are three best possible solutions for the same. Number one, make sure that to get your designs copyrighted for your own country at least, so that you are 100% secured that when you are investing on the design, nobody dare to copy your product. Number two best possible solution, whenever you are sharing the images or anything with the vendor company, make sure to get it watermarked. That means that your logo should be in the with all the pictures and everything, so that nobody dares to copy your design. Number three best possible solution, make sure to give your own design number, your creation number, so that in case anybody copies your design, at least with the design number, you can get hold of them. Once again, this is Ramnik Chawla signing off. See you in my next video. Thank you.